कश्मीर के पहलगाम में दहशतगर्दाना हमले की मजम्मत में बेंगलुरु सिटीजन अलायंस के बैनर में बेंगलुरु नॉर्थ के उलमा इकराम मजहबी इदारों के जिम्मेदारान ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस मुनक्कद की। उलमा इकराम और जिम्मेदारान का मुतालबा है कि जिन लोगों ने इस हादसे में जान गंवाई है इन्हें इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए।
We have consistently condemned all forms of violence that target innocent lives. Today, we once again strongly denounce the atrocities and acts of cruelty that have unfolded in a part of our country. Such acts are unacceptable and have caused unimaginable suffering to innocent citizens. The central government's failure to implement protective and precautionary measures in sensitive areas like these have significantly contributed to the severity of this situation. We demand immediate and decisive action. Hold all those responsible fully accountable under the law. Take urgent and concrete steps to guarantee the protection of all people. We stand in unwavering solidarity with the victims and their families. We will continue to advocate for their rights and pursue justice with all means available. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to the local residents who, despite having their own losses and hardships, selflessly assisted tourists and guided them to safety. This is our message. Thank you.